Today's mini life hack speeds up phone charging by briefly toggling on airplane mode while charging with your usual charger. With radios off and background apps paused, the phone focuses energy on filling the battery instead of draining it. Plug in, enable airplane mode, wait about 15 minutes, then turn airplane mode off and resume normal use. This simple switch reduces parasitic power draw and heat, helping the charger work at its rated speed. Try it next time you need a quick top-up and share the small win with friends.